Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlimited free AI image generator. So there's a tool which is called Canva and it will be created high quality images with free AI tools. So you make sure you will have logged in with the Canva with your Google account, and after login you will just see this type of interface and you will just simply tap on it, this one, like make me an image. I will just tap on it. So from here you will just describe the image in a few words and unique. And if I just give them command like uh, Doraemon in uh, scary mode with uh, Nobita, and you will just tap on it with this like magic create button, and you will have to wait for the moment when it's creating. And if I just scroll down, so you can just wait for the moment when it's load. So like this, in this way you will have to generate unlimited free images. And if I just give them command like a man with his family on car traveling, and I will just tap on it create. You will just give them a description with a short title, and it will just create it easily like this. So in this way you will just generate unlimited free AI images with using this tool which is called Canva. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.